Hi guys, I am Faisal Zamir. You know that we are conducting a webinar on Python web development. This is a second webinar. In previous webinar, you know that we learned about basics of Python. I provide a free certificate at the end. Also, I take a free enrollment into a Python course with lifetime access, with lifetime support, with a certificate. So this is a second webinar, Python web development, how you can create a website with a Python. So this is a webinar in which I will explain webinar goals. Webinar conducting date I will announce at the end of this video. Free webinar with certificate. This is a conducted by Faisal Zamir. I am Faisal Zamir. So its duration may be 1 to 2 hours approximately. First of all, instructor intro. So very basic introduction I want to share with you. I am master in computer science, 7-year plus experience, and I am trusting to teach programming and web. So these are different platforms I teach online: Java Code, Udemy, Tutorials Point, Azonix, Learnfly, YouTube, and Fiverr. So these are different platforms where I teach online programming and web. So webinar goal I want to share with you. First of all, webinar goal is that we will learn how you can create a website with Python, actually web development with Python. Another is a free enrollment in web development course. I have a web development course in which you will learn different skill. So I will provide every participant free enrollment into that course. So this will be a lifetime support for course. Question and answer. You can put your question, I will provide your answer. Another is a webinar participation certificate. If you attend this webinar, you will get a certificate at the end of this webinar. So first of all, Python web development learning different topic I will share with you. For example, basics of Python, how you can set up your Python, what is web development, skill need to learn for web development with Python, required libraries, hello world website, 5 website creation. So there are different goals in web development webinar with Python. So another goal is a free enrollment in web development course. So I will give you a free coupon for web development course. This will be valid for 7 days and you can share with your also friends. So its feature may be lifetime access, lifetime support, and you will get a web development certificate at the end of this web development course. So another is a question answer session. You can put your question in comment section, chat section, WhatsApp group. I will provide you a answer. Another is a webinar participation certificate. You will get a 100% website participation certificate at the end of this webinar. So you can get within 7 days after webinar. Certificate getting process, how you can get a certificate at the end. So I will discuss a complete process with you. Webinar link, where you can get webinar link. So I announced that on 31 May 2023, inshallah, we will conduct a webinar. Final time I will share in a WhatsApp group. Webinar link will be here in the WhatsApp group. So last request I want from you, that you have to subscribe YouTube channel, because we will conduct a webinar on YouTube. So you should know which YouTube channel you have to subscribe. This is our YouTube channel. You have to just type Java Code. You will get our channel. You will be notified when there is new. So thank you. So must share with your friend. Must attend this webinar, because you will learn many things from this webinar. This is a free webinar and you will get free certificate at the end. You will get free web development course and you will get free lifetime access, lifetime support, and also you will get a web development certificate. So this is a great opportunity for the student. Just share with your friend, and must share this YouTube channel with your friend. Also subscribe, because this webinar will be conducted on YouTube. So thank you. If you have any question, any problem, you can discuss with me.